Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 34. So you have this diagram, diagram of a circuit, and it says in the circuit above, 3 resistors, 2 ohms, 4 ohms, and 12 ohms are connected in parallel, and a 12-volt battery is connected across the combination. The current flowing through the 12 ohm resistor is A 3.2 amps, B 9.6 amp, C 14.4 amp, D 1.0 amp. So this is actually a parallel circuit, and in a parallel circuit the current flowing through each resistor is actually different. So I asked to calculate the one that is the current amount of current flowing through the 12 ohm resistor alone. Now Ohm's law, that is V equal to IR, so we are looking for current, so I is equal to V over R. So we will calculate the current using the resistor, the 12 ohm resistor given to us, and the voltage, the 12 volts voltage. So I will therefore be equal to 12 over 12, which is equal to 1.0 amperes. 1.0 amperes is option D. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.